is going to pin 8. So this one that is overlapping, this one pin 8, correct? Okay, so then that is that. Then the servo model is very, very, very easy to connect.
Okay.
So you have the black, red, and the yellow. So the black goes to ground, easy.
Goes to ground.
The red goes to 5 volt, which is a positive. And
Goes
you can see like there's a pattern, in electrical engineering. Black is usually negative, or ground, and red is usually positive. So if you are doing your connection, if you want to be professional, maybe anything that you do on ground, we can make it black if you have black wires. But if not, you can use anything. But if you have black, make it ground, and if you have red, make it 5 volt, or your positive. All right. So I think that is the design. It's very, very simple, and you can see how I have it on my own. So this is my buzzer there. This is the green LED. This is the red LED. Then this is sonar sensor. So you can put the sonar sensor at the edge of your breadboard so that your car or anything that you are moving can come from all the way in here. Then you have your servo model that can go up and down. Okay. So now let's go to the code.
So I've
So
written the code.
because I don't want you
The
guys
code
to have
moved
much to do,
into the
so I wrote the code
script,
for
right?
you,
And
right?
then some to do.
I'm gonna put it in the chat because it's couple of code too, and I don't want to be debugging the code for you guys. So I wrote the code, but just uh you have to do's, just like what I was said, to do's. All right. So you have one to do in here. So in the code that you have, this will not be there. This is just to do some setup. You guys should know. Then this one is to define the pins that we are using. You guys should know that by now. Um, then this loop that we are doing the major thing. So this is the place we are calculating the distance. Then we are printing it. I will show you guys how it shows when I run the code and I click on this, the distance will come on, right? Then this is how we turn on so like if the car is approaching, the red LED will be on, the green LED will be low. Then we open the gate, then with beep, meaning the buzzer and all of that. So this code I will give you guys. So this one you have to write it. So this is the one that we use to calculate the distance from the sonar sensor. All right. So this is how we do the calculation. If you have any question, let me know. But you can see here. So this function is called a function. It return a variable called distance. So this distance is what we get. So that means